Hi, so my name is Xia. I'm a front-end engineer. So my background is in electrical engineering. So I'm working front-end with smart devices, and so this is the iotArt conference. The idea is eventually all the data will come from the smart devices or anything sensors, whatever you can imagine in this world. Basically, create a digital world which is mapped with the real world. So that's how I started, and that's why this IoT names come from, because it's not just using JavaScript to create some cool image, but there's something is what this is how it comes from iotArt. So this picture actually, you see it's all codings and built with JavaScript with these three as just the path calculations. So basically, I do all the points, and then I say this is my data, and then from comes the code, and then give the rules, and will give me these pictures like this. And so and also add the randoms, right? Add the probabilities, and you have a rule like in nature. Of course, the flower can be big and small, open and close, all kinds of shapes, all kinds of flower colors, and all kinds of positions. And also because the rule of how the flowers goes along the branch, it's also by the rules, right? So this is just the general ideas how data map to the visual. Yes, it's that. So I have some inspirations. Just see how things comes and gives you some ideas of maybe you can also do some cool stuff with. Because as a programmers, you always think, oh, we just program stuff, useful stuff for business, for whatever. But actually, you could build stuff, cool stuff with just code, just JavaScript, So when I was in California a few years ago, I rented a car, and it's Toyota. It has this dashboard with just like this, the car, and you would see when the car you're driving is taking the battery or is taking the diesel or taking the gas. So I found it so cool because it's real time showing you how the energy is flowing. And so I thought, oh, I want to do something like that too. So that's a little bit got into the city in my head. And then just last year I was in Geneva, and they have this present also a research project of digitalize the Venice, and so they also have really good pictures of how you 3D mapping now this system, like with the data, how do you map this? So those are two of the cool examples I found in this. And of course, then I wanted to set up a goal too. I don't want to just play around, so I wanted to maybe I can just build a tool. I can generate whatever I want to generate in my imagination, and of course, and I said before, it's mostly from IoT, from like the car engine, basically data which is from the real physics sense. Yeah, and this is why it's so. You can see it there. What should do? Like here? No. It's back to another side. If you go back. So the pictures here, you see, that's actually I built for my home automation, like how you turn the lamp on, lamp off. And the bird, actually, I do have a bird lamp. And I thought it's cool, I can just touch it, I put my lights on, and I can touch it, and it turns off. And then see my desktop lamp, it's also like that. So I thought, just play around, that's the idea. That is on and off. course, with software engineering, if you want to do something of the research, what is out there, you can make use of it. There's lots of open source stuff. So I checked out SVG.js and Snap SVG. I mean, they are okay to build some small stuff, not complicated stuff. Not what I want to do is I wanted to do the data mapping with the randomly pictures, not like just some square or some circle stuff like that, right? So actually VX is now pretty good, but they focus on some guy from, I think, US from he did this VX.js, which focus on React, generate. If somebody interested in building chart, that's really good, cool library to use with React. So that's what I found. I do it myself. So I built a little. I start from ground, like build atomic components because it's. Also, I can play with before the build pictures. I did before React. I did all JavaScript plus history. Now, actually, just for a couple months ago, I started to use React because React plus Redux and history. I found it's like the dream combinations of this kind of ideas from data to pictures, basically. So yeah, basically that's three things, right? That's what I implement. So this is just give you some visual ideas what I built. I built first atomic component, which is just basically the components which is like the name says, like atomic, like just to compose other objects with. Like so, for instance, now this an example is this is just a few lines, and you play with the opacity and then you get a really interesting image, like real cool fountains, and that is my first version with JavaScript plus history. This one. So my goal is of course get this to the new library. Oh yeah, by the way, this tree is also built with the code. Yeah. Then you define how big it grows. Yeah. And this one also, this is an example of how the leaves is just one component, and then you make the rules how they shift, how they grow, and then the flower actually is also from the shape. Because I can make the leaves configurable, so it can be different shapes, different colors, and you put them together, and you can actually, flower is made from leaves basically, and you build something like that. And the cool thing is every time you run the applications and you generate different pictures, right? So I think that's really different from traditional paintings. Like you paint once, then it's gone, or you even photos. This one you can actually generate all different unique pictures just with one code, right? Code base. So I find that is kind of cool. Oh yeah, so that is constraints. Of course, this is just 2Ds because it's easier to use your brain to map the data to 2Ds. 3D, I tried a little bit with 3JS. It's really hard to match the data to, because it's more complicated. And oh yeah, so also just I figured just me myself build it, maybe it's just too less component to compose everything is for basically. So right now I only have the leaves, and the small pie that is also a constraint because it's really time consuming because you have to first get a piece of paper and you draw what you wanted to join, just like a traditional painting, right? And then you think about the data and where do I put the data, and then it comes rendered to the screen of how this looks like. It's really time consuming actually. Yeah, but it's fun. It's almost like play games, right? You can control it. You can, that is the fun part for me. Is I can control it, and also because I don't have the trainings of painting like the artists do, right? But I can use code to do pretty much like they do. And if you think about it, you can do the drawing, and you can also render it with different the filters. You can create your own filters actually to create special effects, all kinds of stuff. It's really cool. Yeah. That's what I thought. I run out of the thoughts. So, if I give a presentation, people interested in maybe talk with me and what you think about it, and I'm open to discuss, to talk. That's it. It's my time now. Okay. Since probably all people are doing coding, I can show the little bit what I'm running the code that I code. Demo. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just have this computer for 2 days, so I'm still nervous. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Which one? This one? Right? Which one? Where is the make it bigger?
On the right side.
That will be probably right.
Yeah. So of course the clock is it's just I'm playing around. For instance, this there's the bird on the wire. You could I show you the code actually. For instance, here, right? So this is the data, and then I can say, since now here is 30 lines, I can say, give me 20 lines, and then it will re-render it, and it will show only 20. Oh, nice. And so I set up the rules, like how many lines do I want to draw, and the bird is always set on the top, right? So the leaf you see here is actually is often, and it's made from this one. Basically, the purple leaf is basically the atomic leaf I have. Everything is from there. Like for instance, the flower is from there, and this is from there, and this one is also from there, and then everything is made from code. Actually, this is also everything, and I can show you it actually interacts. So the components interact each other, and you can do all kinds of stuff. It's just some ideas, right? And they're all like React idea. They're all separate components. They are very just to render. There is no class. It's just it's down. It's called down component. They just say, okay, give me the data. I will render for you, and then all the interactions is being sent to the Redux, and then like they subscribe and publish, and then just publish the actions and subscribe all those components, subscribe whatever they wanted to react to it. So you can do pretty much limitless action and renders you wanted to do. That's it.